All right, great winter tip. WD-40. It's not a penetrating oil, but it is a water displacing, lubricant. Now, winter cars, whoa. In the winter, your air and snow and salt and everything else is coming right at your hood latch all the time. And so to keep these things working great, you don't need to go crazy. Just give every little lubricating part. I like to lubricate this latch. You're just giving it little sprays. Little sprays, guys. Little sprays. You might drip a little bit, but make sure that latch is going to stay nice and lubricated and work in the future, especially when it gets to negative temperatures. You don't want to be breaking a hood cable if you need to get this thing open. So, quick tip. WD-40 your latches on your cars, and they'll work for years. Especially when they're new, like this. Newer car, not like they're not going to get old. So, quick tip.